तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
बहुत बुरे हैं हम लोग।
We're coming in too fast! Damn! Air brake failure! They flew too early! I'm losing her! Brace for impact!
Chief? Chief, can you hear me? At last! Are you alright? Can you move? The others. The impact. There's nothing we can do. Warning. I've detected multiple Covenant dropships on approach. I recommend moving into those hills. If we're lucky, the Covenant will believe that everyone aboard this lifeboat died in the crash. Alert! Covenant dropship inbound. They must be looking for survivors. I recommend immediate evasion. Alert! Covenant dropship has detected us. Here they come. I'm reading a lifeboat beacon over the next hill. We should check to see if there are any survivors.
Good to see you, sir. I thought we were the only ones who made it off the Pillar of Autumn.
It's a mess, sir. We're scattered all over this valley. We called for evac, but until you showed up, I thought we were cooked.
Don't worry, Sergeant. We'll stay here
Heads
until
up! I
evac
got a Covenant
arrives.
dropship heading in! Over here! Dropship on approach! I could use some help over here!
Yikes!
Dropping in behind us. They're trying to flank us.
I'll find the bastard. Nobody on this side. Whoa! Over here! I'm gone, man.
This is Pelican Echo 419. Anybody reading me? Repeat. Any UNSC personnel respond. Roger, Echo 419. This is Fire Team Charlie. We read you 5 by 5. That you, Foehammer? Roger, Fire Team Charlie. Good to hear from you. If you're not too busy, Foehammer, we could use a lift. We have survivors to transport to the command shuttle.
I'm on my way.
Look, more lifeboats. They're coming in fast. If those lifeboats make it down, the Covenant are going to be right on top of them.
Foehammer, we need you to disengage your Warthog. The Master Chief and I are going to see if we can save some soldiers.
Roger, Cortana. Okay, Charlie Team, Warthog deployed. Saddle up and give them hell.
Roger, Foehammer. Stand by to evac survivors and transport them to safety.
That's affirmative. Echo 419 staying on station. Foehammer out.
The Master Chief and I need some backup. Can you spare a few men?
All right, ladies. Well, we have to get up on another. First, you get to the dropship.
Sure thing. All right.
This cave is not a natural formation. Someone built it, so it must lead somewhere. I've hacked into the Covenant battle network. They're actually broadcasting tactical data on unencrypted channels. We should show them who they're dealing with. Master Chief, I'm going to use your suit's transcom system to monitor their chatter.
Oh yeah! More over here! There it is! Let me up! Hey! Oh man! Nailed them! Keep it up, bro. Keep it steady! Hey, the bird! Let go! Let go! Everywhere! Give me an angle! Like that?
There's new traffic on the Covenant battle network. A lot more crew made it off the Autumn than I had predicted. The captain really gave them hell. If we can find Captain Keyes and the other survivors, we have a chance to coordinate an effective resistance. Lifeboat detected. No sign of survivors.
Weapons boxes must have broken open. There's weapons and supplies all over the place. Where's the bodies? Eat it! You can't hide from me! Stay on target! Oh yeah! Over here! Good one! Over here! Hey, that one's free! Keep it steady! Whoa! That's one way to save ammo!
There are some Marines hiding in the hills above the structure.
Here comes more! Try that on! Eat it! What the? There it is! Give me an angle! Make up, bitches! There you go! Found them! Covering fire! Whoa!
showtime!
Full speed, and then handbrake. Drift. Okay.
Echo 419 to Cortana, come in.
We read you, Echo 419. We have survivors and need immediate dust-off.
Roger, Cortana. On my way. I've spotted additional lifeboats in your area. One near a rock slide, and another near the cliff edge. Hard to see from my altitude, but it looks like there are more survivors.
Acknowledged. We're on our way.
More! Over here!
Roger that! Can't hide from me! Come get some! I'm on fire! Whoa! Amigo! Found them!
Maybe they took cover in that structure. Let's check it out.
More of them! Over here! What the? Keep it up! Come and take her! More of them! Whoa! Amigo! Found them!
What the?
We should search the interior of those structures before we leave.
Over there! Fire in the hole!
I've called for an evac.
Going after him, come on!
Roger that. Marines! Assemble for evac! Pronto!
Keep it up! Make them count! Does anyone see him? More of them?
We should secure the area before the dropship arrives.
Here comes more!
You can't hide from me.
Right on.
Echo 419 to Cortana. Foehammer's on station and ready for another pickup.
Affirmative, Foehammer. We're ready for dust-off. Approach when ready. We're going to look for the last lifeboat, Echo 419. Good luck.
Showtime!
Warning. I've picked up reports that the Covenant has located and secured the Pillar of Autumn's crash site. The good news is the captain is still alive. The bad news is that the Covenant have captured the entire surviving command crew. Let's hurry and find the final lifeboat so we can link up with the rest of the survivors.
Firing!
There it
I
is!
said this thing washed! Let's do it! More! Over here!
I'm on it!
Keep it up!
Let go! Found him!
I see him!
Got him!
¡Piche, Deco! ¡Piche!
Oh, heal! Here comes more!
The last lifeboat is in the mountains near a rock slide.
Keep it steady!
Survivors detected. Marines are concealed in those rocks.
Mira, there's a... Yikes! Don't get cocky now!
I'm on my way.
New traffic on the Covenant BattleNet. I found Captain Keyes. He's being held on a Covenant cruiser, the Truth and Reconciliation, a ship I disabled before we abandoned the Autumn. The Truth and Reconciliation touched down on a desert plateau roughly 300 kilometers upspin. There's our ride. Get aboard and let's get out of here.
Welcome aboard, Master Chief. Ready for dust off.
We should move out, Lieutenant, and then we'll need your help on a rescue mission. Captain Keyes, and are holding him aboard one of their cruisers, the Truth and Reconciliation. The ship is currently holding position approximately 300 meters above the other end of this plateau.
So how do we get inside the ship if it's in the air? The Corps issued me a rifle, not wings.
There's a gravity lift that ferries troops and supplies between the ship and the surface. That's our ticket in.
Once we get inside the ship, I should be able to lock on to the tracking signal from Captain Keyes' neural implants.
और अगर तुम लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो यार लाइक मार दो, और नहीं आई तब भी लाइक मार दो, क्योंकि फर्क नहीं पड़ता। सही बता रहा हूँ, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस लाइक मार दो। और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर कुछ भी फेंक के मारो, ये माइक फेंक के मारो, ये कैमरा फेंक के मारो, मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया लेकिन मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बस सब्सक्राइब करो, मुझे नहीं पता।